This is for switching 2 different tube amp heads into one speaker cabinet. It says pretty explicitly in the directions, do not use like a reverb or delay in the effects loop of one of the amps, because when it is on standby and the other amp is playing through the speaker, it will blow it the fuck up. And so blow it up it did.
Set the house on fire, man.
That's when you know you're having a good time, man. Look at that. Awesome. Burning.
And while I didn't have anything in any effects loops, I did have a couple of microphonic preamp tubes in one of the amps. So even though that amp was on standby and the input was muted and there was nothing in the effects loop, those microphonic tubes were just screaming away, and you know, I didn't know until I saw this thing smoking. So here's the resistor that blew out. As far as I can tell, it seems to be a 5 watt 1 ohm. Got blown up pretty good. It measures out at 1 ohm still, so that's what I really hope it is. Inside here I have a super heavy duty 1 ohm 10 watt resistor that I've mounted to the chassis here. Here's what the board looks like. That's where the resistor was and where it blew up, and it burnt a lot of that board, which I scraped out. I just scraped out as much of the black stuff as I could. Hopefully there's not enough left to make anything arc over to anything else and blow it up again, but if it does, then we'll try it again. We'll try some more. Here I'm just gonna wire it up the way it's gonna be.
You